Hi, I'm Rachel Gray. Welcome to my cooking channel. Memorial Day is coming up, and that means barbecues and picnics. You want the food to be fresh, easy, and delicious. So I've got a great coconut dip to go with your fruit that you're going to love. This coconut dip is super easy to put together. It only takes 3 ingredients, and it's best if you make it ahead of time, so that's perfect for your busy schedule. I know coconut's one of those things, either you love it or you hate it, but if you like a pina colada, this dip's for you. This delicious dip only requires 3 ingredients. You're going to need an 8-ounce tub of frozen whipped topping, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, and then you'll need 1 can of Coco Lopez. You can find this in the aisle with the drink mixers. So I'm gonna make this in my stand mixer, but you can just use a hand mixer. So my cream cheese is room temperature and my whipped topping is thawed. That's super important. So I'm gonna put my cream cheese in my bowl. Then I'm going to add my Coco Lopez. And then I'm gonna mix those 2 things together. And I'm gonna whip that together until it's nice and smooth. So now that we've got our cream cheese and our Coco Lopez cream together, all we have to do is add our thawed Cool Whip. And I just fold that in and you're done. Now you could serve this right away, but you get the really great texture from the Cool Whip, which is why I use Cool Whip for this instead of cream, if you put it in the refrigerator. You'll need at least 4 hours, but the best thing to do is just make it a day ahead and then it's out of the way. Obviously a coconut dip is gonna go great with a pineapple. So I like the fresh pineapple, and this is what I look for. I look for one that's fairly yellow. I look for one that doesn't have mold on the bottom, that smells like pineapple when you smell it, and one that has leaves that if you pull on it, it comes right out. That's a sign that they're ripe. So let me show you how I cut this pineapple. First, I just cut the bottom off, and then I cut the crown off, and then I'm just gonna stand it up and cut down the sides. Once I've gone all the way down the pineapple, then I'm going to cut it straight down the middle. And then turn it. And I'm going to cut the core off each one. Then I'm going to throw these away. These are pretty fibrous. You could eat them if you want, but they're tough to get through. And that's how I cut up my pineapple. So it's the next day, and I just want you to see how beautiful this sets up to be. It's just fluffy and thick and gorgeous. A super easy coconut fruit dip. It's gonna go fantastic with your fruit tray, especially with pineapple. It's light as a cloud with just a hint of coconut. It's not the coconut that beats you over the head, but it's just perfect. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Subscribing is free. And if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, hit the bell. Let me know how you like this recipe by leaving me a comment in the comments below. Thanks for watching.